Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today I want to talk about the function of Google Takeout. We all use Google services, and if someone wants to leave Google or deactivate their account, the first thing they do is back up and download all the information they have given or uploaded to Google. Now, downloading everything individually takes a lot of time since you have to download photos separately, Google Drive documents separately, and so on. Hence, to address this issue, Google offers the option of Takeout. So, what does this mean? You can download all the information you have provided to Google using this feature. On paper, it seems like a good thing, but in reality, it can be quite messy. Last year, I decided to download all my information related to Google Photos. It turned out that the total size was around 200 gigabytes, and Google gave me an option to create 50 gigabyte zip files. I ended up downloading 50 gigabyte worth of storage in 5 packages. Once everything was done, I thought it was a good idea and I could easily deactivate my Google account or delete my online photos to free up storage. But when I opened those zip files, I realized that it was all a mess. The issue is that Google Takeout creates a lot of folders in the zip file, especially if you have created multiple albums in Google Photos. Each album becomes its own folder, which means if you are looking for a specific picture from a particular date, you have to search through the multiple folders individually. This was very frustrating and it would take a lot of time to organize everything. In my opinion, Google needs to improve the Google Takeout feature. If I'm downloading all my pictures, I want them organized by date, not by album. For example, if I have pictures from June 2022, I want a folder named June 2022 with all the images inside. Before downloading, I thought this would be the case, but it wasn't. This is a major issue, and I'm not sure if Google has considered this, but it makes you question why you uploaded the photos in the first place. I've also had issues with Google changing things without prior notice, especially for people in areas with poor internet connectivity, which can be problematic. The financial aspects is also concerning. If Google increases the subscription rates, it can be burden on users. In a previous video, I talked about how I faced issues when I stopped paying for Google One. I didn't want to delete my Google Photos because I had so many memories, but I couldn't access my email, which meant I couldn't send or receive emails. This was one of the problems I faced, and nowadays I avoid uploading my photos to Google Photos because of their unreliable treatment of customers. So, this is my second request as a customer. Google, please don't do this. If you make things difficult, people will force to move out to other services like Dropbox. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope this video helps you understand the Google Takeout option better. My recommendation, if you are moving away from Google and have a lot of photos, is to be patient. Download your pictures monthly or selectively if you have a good internet connection. This will save time compared to using Google Takeout, which can make things messy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.